Hey guys, it's Matt Pittman of Meat Church. And today I'm going to show you guys a recipe that's near and dear to my heart, Alabama white chicken. Let's talk about our ingredients. We've got a fresh whole chicken that we're going to season with our Holy Voodoo rub. And then we've got to make our Alabama white sauce, which is mayonnaise, cider vinegar, fresh horseradish, lemon juice, a little bit of sugar, and we're gonna season it with our holy cow rub instead of salt and pepper. Let's take this whole chicken and let's trim it up into what's known as a spatchcock chicken. I love using a whole chicken because it's the most inexpensive way to buy chicken. I'm gonna flip it over to where you can have the backbone on top, and then I'm gonna take a pair of poultry shears, scissors that I have dedicated just for chicken, and I'm actually gonna cut the backbone out. If you don't have poultry shears, you can use a sharp knife. And I'm just gonna cut down along the side of the backbone on both sides. Flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. When you open the chicken up, at this point, you could lay it down and cook it just like this. I'm actually gonna remove this breastbone so I can lay the chicken a little more flat. It will cook more evenly and it presents really well. Now, I can easily cut this chicken in half after it's cooked. You see how nice and flat it is? This will cook more evenly with this meat closer to the grate. I can use my knife at the end and just cut right through it, have two halves, carve the breast really easy. Good to go. So now we've got our spatchcock chicken. Time to season this chicken. We're gonna go with our Holy Voodoo, a great poultry seasoning, and I'm gonna start on the underneath side. I'm gonna season about 18 inches high so we get a nice even application. I'm gonna kind of pat it in for time's sake, flip the chicken over and repeat this on the top. Our chicken's been sitting for about 10 minutes. It's time to put it in the pit. Today we're gonna cook on our offset pit that we've got loaded with hickory wood. We're running at 325 degrees. This chicken will probably take just over an hour at 325. I'm gonna lay this down just right in the middle. Let's make our Alabama white sauce. We're gonna start with mayonnaise, and we're gonna add some cider vinegar. I'm gonna throw in some lemon juice. Then I'm gonna get my fresh horseradish, give it a little pop, a little bit of sugar, and holy cow. Let's mix this up. Consistency I'm looking for, I want to be able to apply this to the hot chicken and it not completely run off, so I don't want it too thin. But you can choose to pour this over your meat and just serve it like that, or you can take the meat and you can put it back on the grill or smoker for a little bit longer and let it cook down just a little bit. It's your choice. We've just checked the temp of our chicken. We're at 165 degrees, so it's time to pull it off and sauce it. Look at the beautiful color we've got from the Holy Voodoo. This thing smells unbelievable. At this point, you got a nice hot chicken. It's time to put the sauce on it. Keep in mind, this chicken is hot, so this sauce is gonna kind of run off of here. It's gonna thin out as it sits and rests. About the time it does that, it's gonna be time to eat. Look at this gorgeous chicken. So this Alabama white sauce has really kind of run off the bird, so you can see some of the beautiful Holy Voodoo seasoning peeking through the sauce. It's rested for a while. It smells epic. Remember, we removed the breastbone, so we're gonna be able to take our chef knife and just cut right in the middle of this chicken really easily. Boom, you got two halves. And the juices are just gonna roll right out of this. I'm gonna carve a little bit off the breast here, and I'm digging in. Super good. Taste the smokiness in it. This is an epic meal that's really inexpensive. For more recipes like this, be sure to hit academy.com, and for all your outdoor cooking needs, visit your local Academy Sports and Outdoors.